If your Kodak PIXPRO FZ55 won't transfer photos to your iPhone, don't replace anything yet. If this fixes your issue, subscribe. I post quick tech fixes like this all the time. This is one of the most common problems with this camera, but it's usually an easy fix. Let's go step by step. 1. Turn off the camera. Power off your Kodak PIXPRO FZ55. 2. Remove the SD card. Open the compartment and remove the SD card. 3. Insert into adapter. Use a Lightning or USB-C SD card adapter. 4. Connect to iPhone. Plug the adapter into your iPhone. 5. Open Photos app. Tap Import to view photos. If your photos don't show up here, this is where most people get stuck. 6. If photos don't appear, SD card must be unlocked and adapter must support data transfer. 7. Try direct cable. Connect camera via USB and turn it on. 8. Import photos. Select and import your files. If this helped, subscribe, and if it didn't, check my other Kodak videos, because the next issue is usually the SD card or battery.